Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rasya from 8B. I'm studying IDN boarding school. So now I want to make a tutorial subtitle video with AdobePremiere Pro. So now I have some video in here to get the subtitle. So I will use video ceramah from Ustaz Abdul Somad. In the first, we drag the video like this. Because we have this video like viewing of the mountain and like that, so we don't need the video of the drama. So how to drag the audio only is like this. Select the video and then go to like this. Wait. Like this. And then we drag audio only. Why we don't drag that and delete this? Because we can. If we select that, the audio will select the two, mix that one of a pack, so we can drag the two with same time. So we delete this and drag this. So now we have that audio.
Setelah dia tak ada, makanya mumpung dia masih
Like this. So for the back sound too, this is a video too with the back sound, so we need to like just pick the sound only, the audio only, like we do like that. We do for from the video ceramah like this. In here. We drag to here, and then we just drag the audio only like this, and in here we delete. So that drama is too long, so if you want to cut a video, you select this result tool or type C. Press C and then go to this and cut V, select, delete. So that's same. And then for the viewing, we need video like this. If you want to drag that video only, go to here, source again, that's project and that's source, so it's different. Drag to here and then drag the video only like that, and then delete. Bam, we have that. So if you want more, it can be too, but yeah, I'm lazy. And yeah, like this for the first impression.
Setelah dia tak ada. Makanya mumpung dia masih ada.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to cut this like this because I take that picture from video from another people, so I cut this for with a razor tool like this. Okay, delete. Okay, so like this.
Setelah dia tak ada. Makanya mumpung dia masih ada, ciumlah tangannya.
So now we go to the if you want to add some caption, it's not sequence, but it is a caption. Sorry, I'm wrong. And open caption in here. Change the CAF to open caption. Okay, so drag this to here. Okay, so now let's add some to make a caption or subtitling in here. So in here we have this caption. So we listen for the voice, and then we type in here like this.
Setelah dia tak ada.
So he said setelah ia tak ada, and you write in here. Okay. And boom.
Setelah dia tak ada.
So
makanya mumpung dia masih
wait.
setelah dia tak ada. Makanya mumpung
So and how to make this caption for from here to here to go this to go here. So you select this and then like this and then like this. So yeah, like this. And then you type again for the next letter. And this text you can edit um, some this text with a colorful like this. So this is from the text color, and this for the edge. Edge is uh, the text, but that in edge of the text, like you have some donuts in donuts that have, like if you have a potato donuts, in the skin is a potato, and in of the donut is chocolate, so that donut potato chocolate, like that. That is meaning for the edge and the texture, like this. That white, okay, and the edge is black, this. And how to make that edge is big, it's like this, like 4, it's too big, sorry, like 4, like this.
Mumpung dia masih ada.
And next later, and this is like this, with this. I'm sorry, make a big mistake, very lot of mistake I made in this video. Sorry. Okay, and then in the second, we go like that. For the edge, we give a black color, and the edge is full like this. And bam, this too, yes. And then if you want to add some text again, like this.
Masih ada.
Now that we can add in here. If we add in here, like that will make bad, okay, bad looking. And then we go there, wait, we go here, and then add again. So add the video in here, like another text, like okay, wait, I'm listening to that first.
Setelah dia tak ada. Makanya mumpung dia masih ada, ciumlah tangannya.
Like this. Okay, so that's how to add another text, okay? And for the duration of this caption, you can like this, half, then like this.
Setelah dia tak ada. Makanya mumpung dia masih ada, ciumlah tangannya.
Like that, okay? Maybe my tutorial just that. If I have many mistake, uh, forgive me because I'm new for making video. Okay, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you for watching my video.